Last words, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I said now we're both sick of this, so let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take or a move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, bragging about her newest friend, and I guess you moved on really fast. It's okay, I got it. Maybe it's really over, and the funny lovers we once were died. Now, although it's worth a try, I think it's worth a try. Every step I take or move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. Last words, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I said now we're both sick of this, so let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take or a move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, bragging about her newest friend, and I guess you moved on really fast. It's okay, I got it. Maybe it's really over, and the funny lovers we once were died. Now, although it's worth a try, I think it's worth a try. Every step I take or move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of them. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I scroll up and I scroll down, and Last words, so then she left. Slammed doors and broken glasses. I went back to the minute when I said, hey, 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 I hate you. Fighting over stupid things. Don't even mind whose fault it is. No, I sit now, we're both sick of this. So let's take a break, yeah. Every step I take or a move I make reminds me of you. I scroll up and I scroll down, and then still I found a text between you and me. I can't get rid of that. I wanna call you by, never mind, 'cause we broke up an hour ago. It feels like it's been ages. I checked out your Instagram stories, bragging about